Now this right here had no J-channel underneath of it. They put a piece of wood in and then ran the siding down into it. See, they put a piece of, they ran the siding down into the top of the piece of trim, and then they caulked it. Well, after about 4 or 5 years of weather, it started leaking, and now look at the rot. That much of it's going. And that whole piece of wood up there, you can put your fingers through it. It's so soft, you can pull out whatever you want. I can reach up there and just grab it and pull it out. Like, it's so soft, it's not funny. But what we do is we can fix that. If it's like a money issue, we can actually recaulk that, prime it, 2 coats of finish, and you might get another 5 to 6 years out of it, depending. But it's one of those things, like, rotten wood only lasts so long. Like, you gotta look at it like, yeah, it's playing a part right now. It looks like it's healthy and it looks like it's supposed to, but the fact is it's rotted. It's no good. It needs taken out. It needs thrown in the trash and a new piece put in. I wanted to add this on here. Like, we scraped this stuff, which you can see it's like it took it down to bare wood. It didn't have much paint on it to begin with, but what happened is the primer started to fail. So the paint that was biting the primer, the layer that the paint was biting the primer too, failed. That's why this is still on here and this ain't. Because when we scraped it, it actually took it right with it. Like, the primer itself failed. And it's probably because it's a self-priming primer. But the crazy thing is, you can get through here anywhere and just start peeling this stuff. Like, that's how strong this stuff is. Like, it's not necessarily strong. It's like so ready to just come off. It's not even funny. This is one of those things I get in trouble for because I take too much off when I'm scraping. Because my brother's like, we're not sitting here digging it, so you know, just knock off what's falling off and we'll paint it. Which, me personally, if this is my house, I'd take this off. Because when I paint this, you're going to see this. This is going to be smooth and this is going to look like a piece of alligator skin. But the point I was getting to is, on the front of this place, it's failing real bad. So it's peeling real bad. And if you notice, it's like that all the way down through there. And I can go anywhere and just stick my 5-1 under it. And see how it lifted up so far all the way around that?